Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a persona. Let's start. From the dashboard, click on Create Persona here. Now from this page you can create as much personas you like for free. Click on Create Persona. Now write the name of the person you want to create a persona for. So I will write Craig. And the description is optional. Now we scroll down and choose select multiple photos. I will choose now the persona, these two images, and click open. Great. Now we have the name added and we have the images. Click on create persona here at the bottom. Brilliant. Now the persona has been created and is set in pending. Open the persona and click on start training. Now the tool is analyzing the photos and is creating the persona. That's great. Now it's 100% completed and the persona has been trained, ready to use. You can see here the quality score is 75%, which is okay, but we always recommend over 80. And you will see a message when you have over 80, 82, 85%, you will have a message say high quality, and that's what we recommend. That's brilliant. Now the persona has been trained. I will just show you one more time. Back to the persona, and you can click on Create Persona, write the name. I'll write this time Chris, and I will choose the images I want. Take these two images, and now we have the name. The description is optional, and we have the images we want. Click on Create Persona. That's great. Now click on the persona again to open the page and click on Start Training here. Now we just wait a few seconds and the persona will be trained. That's perfect. Now we have 100% and you can see the quality score is 89%, which is fantastic result. And here you can see the message high quality. That's lovely. And now you're gonna go back to the persona and you can see all your personas here. Anyone in pending, you can just train it. And you can also force train all your personas again. And there is also a button from here that you can train all your unready personas all at once. That's about everything. It's very simple and straightforward. You're able to create as much personas you like for free. Any persona of yourself, of your friends, or of any celebrity you want. Thank you.